Alright, so my battery went dead in my truck because it got cold and it wouldn't recharge. So I picked up a new one, and we're also going to go ahead and convert this to a dual battery system because why not? I've got the extra tray, I've got a winch on this truck, and I take it on like long trips and stuff. I'd rather have two batteries, it's just better. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so we got the battery in here. Picked up a cheap clamp off Amazon. Now I'm going to go ahead and reroute my winch cables to the secondary battery, just because there'll be a better hookup over there. Alright, got those routed through here, got the one hooked up, go and hook up the second one. Alright, that's in there. Now we got to get our negative to go probably ground over here somewhere, probably just to that bolt or somewhere on this. Maybe one of those two mounts right there, or that head mount. And then we'll run the positive back around and over to that battery. Let's see if we can find us a bolt here. We'll go with the last one I got. Got that ground started. It's getting dark on me. This is a long piece of cable. I'll just wrap the excess over here for now. Not really worried about making it real nice and pretty. I'm gonna hook that one over there. Alright, let me get a wrench for this. Got that in there. Got the room's not really in the way. Should be fine. Take that. See if I can get this twisted better. There we go. That'll work. that. Let's go to the positive. And just go here. Put some right across here. Under there. And then over here. So that way I'll cut it off. Got my crimper. Got my rug. Alright, so it starts up. I just got some zip ties. Wire tie some of this stuff up. So yeah, it was a quick one, just a little like tutorial, just stuff I had to do. So I videoed it and figured you guys might like it. Maybe it's something you're interested in. Maybe you have a truck like this, like an 07 to 2013 GMC Chevrolet, something like that, and you just want to put a second battery in there when maybe you don't know how to do it, or you don't know what you need. So yeah, man, it's real easy to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.